friends, now we are going to talk about the band evaluators, particularly for IELTS essay. So here we can see that the first band evaluator for IELTS essay is task response. What is task response? We'll be talking about it in detail, but before that I'll be telling you all the types of band evaluators. The first is task response, as I told you. The next one is cohesion and coherence. Next is lexical resources, and finally the next one is grammatical range and accuracy. Now you need to understand that how much weightage particularly each of these band evaluators are actually having. So they are having like this 25% for the task response. So the weightage for like in the final band evaluation process, in the final evaluation, like how many bands you will be getting. So 25% contribution is only of task response. We'll be talking about it in detail. Now the next is 25% is again for coherence and cohesion also. So I'll be giving it 25% marks again. So 25% weightage for task response, 25% weightage for cohesion and coherence. Now comes to lexical resources. So it is again 25%, and for grammatical range and accuracy again 25%. So this is how your band is derived, but you need to understand like how it actually is done. So suppose that you have scored, say for example you have scored 8 bands here, okay, and then you have scored 8 bands here in the cohesion and coherence. Now again you have scored 8 bands here and 8 bands here. So in all, if you have achieved 8 bands per evaluator, that is task response, cohesion and coherence, lexical resources and grammatical range and accuracy, if you have scored 8, so how they will be calculating it? It's very simple. It is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 upon 4. That is 32 upon 4. That is 8. So you will be getting an 8 bands in your IELTS essay. We are talking only about essay right now. Okay, let's move further and try to understand what task response is actually. Then we'll be discussing about all those evaluators one by one.